Good morning. In this video, it's a very short one where I'm going to go over converting units. So far we've been able to calculate unit rates, but we need to be able to convert to different units as well. Basically converting from minutes to hours or days to weeks to month or whatever. And so I'll just do a few examples here, and you'll then do this exercise on your own. And so the first one is number 4 here. Luke writes 900 words in 20 minutes. So we have 900 words in 20 minutes. What is Luke's writing speed in words per minute? So they want us to get how many words. So let me use a different color here. So X words, I'm just using X because it's an unknown, X words per minute. Notice that the denominator is 1. So basically what they're asking us to do is find the denominator of 1. And so we need to divide this by 20. And if we're dividing the denominator, we're also dividing the numerator. And this is just very basic how to get what's it called? A unit rate. And so we can even start off by canceling zeros. And so we have 90 divided by 2. 90 divided by 2 is 45. And so my answer would be 45 words per minute. Okay? So we found the unit rate in words per minute. Now the question I'm trying to ask is, what if the question wasn't per minute? What if it was asking how many words per hour? Right? What would you do then? And let's solve some questions that deal with that. So let me clear this out. And let's go to number 10. So number 10 here says something similar. It says Tina counts 26 heartbeats over a 20-second interval. And so the rate that we have is 26 heartbeats. I'm just going to say HB over 20 seconds. All right. So it says how many groups of 20 seconds are in a minute. So it's not asking for the unit rate in seconds right now. It's just asking you how many 20 seconds, because here we have a group of 20. So how many times does 20 basically fit into 1 minute? So we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. We know that 60 has 3 20-second groups in it, right? So there are 3 groups of 20 inside 60. And since this is 20, we can say that there are 3 groups of 20 seconds in 1 minute. And now it's asking, what is Tina's heart rate in beats per minute? So if we know that a minute has 60 seconds, then we need to change this 20 seconds to 60. And so how do we do that? Or what do we multiply 20 by to get 60? And it's just by 3. So we can say that whatever 26 times 3 is, so let's find out. 26 times 3, that's 18, carry 1. 3 times 6 is 2, plus 1 is 7. So 78. So this becomes 78 heartbeats per 60 seconds. Now you can say this isn't a unit rate, we didn't get like per second or per minute, but we can easily cross this out and say 1 minute. And so this actually becomes 78 heartbeat or beats, let's just say beats since they use it here, per 1 minute or per minute. So 78 beats per minute. Okay, so now we were given the rate in seconds, but we were able to convert it to minutes. Another way to do this, let me clear this out, is by getting the beats per second rate. So we have 26 over 20. We said this is beats and this is seconds. We can divide both of them by 20 to get how many beats per second. So divide by 20 divided by 20. And so 26 divided by 20 times. So it's 1.3. So our unit rate for seconds would be 1.3 beats per second. Now this is like we said, this is 1 second. And we know that a minute has 60 seconds. And so this is going to happen 60 times. So all we need to do here is just say this is multiplied by 60. And if we remember multiplication of decimals, 0 times 3. So we have 0 plus 780, which is 780. But of course, and it's very important, we have one decimal place here, so we need to move it back over here. So our final answer, therefore, would be 78 beats per 1 minute, because it's 60 seconds. Okay, so it's the same answer, two different methods. You do whichever one makes more sense to you. Okay, let's do one more example, and then I'll let you go. So let me clear this out. Okay, I'll let you try this one on your own, and I'll give you the question on Edpuzzle so you can practice before you start your math quiz. Okay, now it says 70 meters every 10 seconds. And so in 1 second, and that's my preferred method, I like to get the unit rate, I can just divide both of them by 10. So I'm getting something, I get 7 meters per second. Okay? It says how many groups of 10 seconds are in 1 minute? Well, 6, because 1 minute is 60 seconds. And then what is the speed of the cyclist in meters per minute? So if I'm going meters, 7 meters per second, I know that there are 60 seconds in a minute. So to get that, I would just do 7 times 60. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 60 is 420 meters per minute. Okay? If you did the other method, you would just take the 70 over 10 and you would multiply that by 6. And so you would get 420 over 60 seconds, which is just 1 minute, right? So it should be the same answer in the end, all right? Good luck on your assignment, and when you're done, you're going to move on to phase 1 of the project, all right? Good luck, and I'll see you at some point. Bye.